What's up, man? It's your boy Dread again. Once again, back in this bitch. Just ended up taking a break off the weed, so shit. Smoking a little black. Ease my nerves. Shit, you know what I'm saying? Last time y'all niggas couldn't hear me. I know that. Don't complain. Shut the fuck up. Listen. I was just giving shout outs last time, you know what I'm saying? I was saying, goddamn North Main, we in this bitch. Shout out to my niggas in the Rock. Shout out to my brother John G. That nigga free now, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my nigga Smoke G, he free too. Goddamn. Shout out to my niggas in Hammond Village. Shout out to that nigga Swag, Titus, Kilo, Lil Maurice, Twain. Shout out to the feminine Taiva, you know what I'm saying? Who else? Goddamn. Everybody out there though. Everybody. Shout out to that nigga PD. Shout out to everybody out that bitch, man. All of my niggas, man. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn. Just out here smoking the blackboard as hell. Said I was gonna record something else to put on YouTube. I don't know what else to say. I'm working on this new song, goddamn. It's called Bangin', nigga. Ain't no ripping. Nigga, you bang it. You feel me? And I wrote the first verse this morning, goddamn. And that shit go like, cause you know I'm a folk. 974. The main. We do this shit. We in here, bitch. You know what I'm saying? 21519. Shout out to all my brothers of the struggle, you feel me? Goddamn. Verse go like 424 to the heart, stay loyal. Got a chop on my side. Together we stand and the battle we fall. Eastside rider, so you know we bought. I am who I am, but I'm not who I never be. It's your boy Dread, man. These niggas gonna remember me. Black banger, North Main screamer, insane. That is what I bang. Devoted myself to my motherfucking brothers. Yes, I partake of this struggle. Yes, I be part of this nation. Shout out to y'all niggas hating, cause my chopper got them hollows and my index it will bust them. If you hear them shots is coming, best get down and get the ducking, cause you know I'm not gonna miss them. I will leave your body missing. Then head right back to the kitchen, get them birds and get the flipping. If you want it, come and get it. My black flag hang low till the end of my days. Screaming 974, nigga. Fuck all y'all pussies out there, man. All y'all niggas, man. Fuck ABM, fuck 215, fuck that nigga Stacy, fuck that nigga Jerry. Goddamn, I'ma get y'all niggas. Y'all boys be waiting.